Greetings Java viewers, it's Thom here, and I'm back with another Minecraft modding for beginners. And the video screwed up, and I first noticed when I made a couple of more videos. So, yeah, this is the part 2 of making a block, and as you can see, I already have some more code for some later tutorials, but I don't think it will bother you. So all you gotta focus on is that we made this last time, I'm pretty sure, and this time I did some stuff. So in the mod underscore tutorial, under your public void load statement, you gotta register the block where we did registering blocks, and that's how kind of easy to do. So ModLoader provides a couple of methods for us. For an example, I made some recipes. I made some names and I made some registrations, and you did all that with ModLoader. So it's kind of cool to have ModLoader. So for registering a block, you do ModLoader, the registered block, and then you type whatever you called it in Java, and we call ours more. So we're gonna type more. No, that's the first thing. The next thing was the in-game name, and that's how you do it. So you do ModLoader, add name, open some brackets, put the name of what you put in Java. Put some double quotes, and inside them there is the in-game name. So that's pretty much what we had to do there. Now for the block, you do package net.minecraft.src. I imported java to util random because I wanted to drop a specific item, and therefore I'm pretty sure you have to do it. But yeah, just import it like so. You gotta public it. It already does this. Do this for you, but you gotta extend it as a block, and then you're gonna make a public again. It's not the class, just the public, and then there's two integers. So the first one, no, that's stupid to say. We have a super constructor, and it uses the two integers and the material. Now the material can be quite a lot of stuff. It can be air, anvil, cactus, cake, circuits, clay, cloth, crafted snow, tracking egg, a lot of other stuff. Now, because we're making an ore, we're using .rock, which means if it's a rock, it can only be destroyed by a pickaxe, and that's how you make an ore. So, if you were making like an iron block or a what's it called, a golden block or diamond block, blocks like that, emerald block, then you would put this as iron, because that means it's like it can only be destroyed by a iron pickaxe. So what I'm actually going to do is I'm going to do that because I want it to be destroyed by an iron pickaxe or higher. So you put iron. Now you're going to add this to the creative menu. If you want that, then you should put this, which means it's this class, and what it's going to do with it, it's going to set the creative tab brackets creative tabs the tab block, which means it's going to be on the block, on the tab with the block on it, which is for the blocks. Then I added some customization, and I added two public ints. The first one is how many it drops, and the next one is what it drops. So basically I just made it drop one of the modium gems that I'm gonna make in the next trial, I think. And there's one integer, and the integer is just how many, so you could put 2 or 1. I'm also going to teach you how to make it like drop 1 to 4, so you don't know, it's just a random number from, I think it's 0 to 4 actually. It will do that, so you can be unlucky to get none, and you can be lucky to get 4. Now, I also made it the public int ID dropped, and it has 2 integers, and it has a random. Now, I'm not sure if you have to add the random, but I did, because that's how I make it work, and then do like that. And oh yeah, the shifted index is if it's an item. So in this case, it's the modium gem, which in fact is an item. And if I wanted to the block, then I would do the block, which in this case could be that, and then you would do that block ID. But since it is an item, then you gotta do shifted index. I hope everyone understood that. So it's basically how I'm gonna add an ore. I mean a block. Now all you gotta do is put your PNG file in there, and mine looks like this. So it's pretty nice. If you don't know how to make textures, then hopefully Knack will be making some tutorials, and so look forward to them. And yeah, everything is gonna get good. Now I can just show you this, but it's probably gonna lag a lot because it seems that the recording system I'm using is lacking Minecraft out, because it's like, I don't know, actually it just is. So as you can see, it's in the creative menu right here. It says Modium Ore, and when I place it, we have a nice looking Modium Ore. So yeah, that's basically just it. Let me just go out before it crashes the whole system. So that's basically how you do it. If I was too fast for you guys, then you could just go ahead and look at 1.3.2 tutorials, because there I'm explaining a little bit more. But I just wanted to do this quick because I don't think it's very hard, and I don't think anyone should think it is hard, because it is very easy to mod blocks. It will get harder in time when we're gonna make mobs or dimensions and stuff. So yeah, it's gonna be pretty fun. And yes, I am gonna make dimension tutorials and mobs tutorials, so it's gonna be pretty good. So yeah, I hope you JavaViewers enjoyed this video, and I see you in the next tutorial of whatever I make. Bye.